Okay, hi children. So I'm at page 175 and let's begin. Work out how much money each child has left after buying the item. So let's look at the example. Okay, so what we are working on right now is the mental sum. So when we subtract money, we can use the algorithm or the mental sum through step-by-step method. So in this case, okay, they subtract using the dollars first. So Peter has $5.20 and he bought a chocolate bar. So they split into dollars and cents. So $5.20 minus the dollars first, $1. 5 minus 1 is $4.20. After you minus the dollars, we still have the cents, right? So we now have to minus 40 cents. However, you can see that there's a number bond here. Did you realize that they put it into 20 and 20 cents because of this? What is 20 minus 20? 0. So 20 cents minus 20 cents is actually 0. So it's easier this way because we get a whole number. So $4.20 minus 20 cents is $4. Now we still have to subtract away this, right? Because we already subtract this. So now we need to subtract this. So $4 minus another 20 cents is $3.80. Okay, so now let's put this into, let's now put this into action. Okay, $7.70, Jenny's bought a lollipop, is $2.80. So same thing, split into dollars and cents. Step 1, subtract the dollars. So let's subtract the dollars first, which is $2. Okay, so what is $7.70 minus away $2? It is actually 7 minus 2 is 5, so $5.70. Okay, so now let's write here $5.70. Alright, remember your dollar sign. Oops. Okay, because I'm using the mouse, so it's a little difficult for Mrs. Chai to write neatly. Okay, so again, like I say, we want to make it simple. So since here has 70 cents, we are going to use number bond to split. Remember, we want to minus the same number. So 70 minus 70 gives us 0. We want to make the same number to give us a whole number at the end. So we put 70 cents here. 70 cents and what makes 80 cents? 70 cents and 10 cents. Okay, so now let's put all this here into the equation. So $5.70 minus away the 70 cents first. Remember your minus sign? Now when we take 70 cents minus 70 cents, gives us $5, right? Very straightforward. So now we have already subtracted 70 cents. Now let's minus the 10 cents. So minus 10 cents. So you take $5 minus 10 cents, you should get, if you need to do your working, you can do it here. Otherwise, if you use your mental sum, it's $4.90. Okay. So Jenny's has $4.90 left. Now, if you need to pause here, you may pause before I move on to the next question. Right, let's go to question B. Subtract the dollars. Okay, so again, Ravi bought a donut for $1.95. So again, split to dollars and cents. So subtract the dollars first. So $6.50 minus, remember to write minus, $1. So 6 minus 1 is 5. So $5.50. Okay, so let's transfer this over here because we need to now minus away the cents here, right? So $5.50 minus away 95 cents. Now again, remember we want to get the whole number, so let's put the cents at the same place here. So 50 cents minus 50 cents gives us 0 cents. Okay, so now let's fill up the next part. 50 cents and what makes 95 cents? So 95 minus 50 is 45 cents. Okay? So 50 cents and 45 cents makes 95 cents. So now we have these two same number. We're going to subtract the same number first. So $5.50 minus away 50 cents. So 50 cents minus 50 cents. You give 50 cents, you have 50 cents and you give away 50 cents. So it's 0 cents, right? Therefore, we are left with the dollar. Now, once we are done with this, we still have to subtract the 45 cents. So what is the amount? You should get $4. And so if you need to do workings, again, I emphasize you can write your workings at the side. Okay, otherwise this should be actually a mental sum. Okay, so it should be $4.55. Okay. Oops. So it should be $4.55. Okay. So Rabi has $4.55 left. Alright. So now let's move on to question C. Subtract the dollars. So again, City bought candy, a pack of candies. So $3.85. So first subtract the dollars. So what is the dollars? $3, right? So $9 minus $3, you should get $6.25. Okay, because we never touched the 25 cents here. So now let's transfer this down to this part. So $6.25 minus 85 cents. So now we're going to use number bond again. So children, same thing, 25 cents over here, right? So we try to get rid of the 25 cents first. So I'm going to split this 85 cents into 25 cents and what? 25 cents and what makes 85 cents? If you tell me 60 cents, good job. Okay? So 60 cents and 25 cents makes 85 cents. So now we're going to subtract the cents first. So $6.25 minus away 25 cents. 25 cents minus 25 cents is equals to 0 cents. But we still have our dollar. So here we are. This minus this is $6. Now, what have we missed out? The 60 cents, right? So now we're going to put this here. We still need to minus away the 60 cents. So $6 minus 60 cents, okay, you should get $5.40. Therefore, the answer is $5.40. So City has $5.40 left. Okay, well done. We have finished page 176 on subtraction involving money.